Start your day on the sunny side. Tidal Café serves delicious, made-from-scratch breakfast and lunch. Framed by a picturesque background steps away from the Comox Marina. Enjoy your brunch with locally roasted coffee or kick it up a notch with a cocktail crafted with local spirits. Everything we do at Tidal Café is dedicated to bringing community together. From local farms to your table. Tidal Café, locally owned, locally loved. Find your favorite comfort in the heart of Comox.